Okay.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Cherry Takapan, marriage. I have one son, a little boy. I graduated as in education, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education, and
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I heard that people there are kind to their fellow men.
Do you know how to take care of a child?
Yes, as a mother, I know how to take care of a child, to change diaper, give them food, and especially also to take them to shower.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of an elderly person?
Actually, I don't have an experience yet, but I'm willing to learn how to take care of the old.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food or Filipino dishes?
I know how to cook Filipino dishes like adobo, kare-kare, fried chicken, and fried fish, and more.
Okay. What is your promise to your future employer?
And to my future employer, I promise that I will be a good. I promise to be a good, kind, and especially to follow your rules and regulations, and to be a respectful one also.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.